Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to delete files in the Firebase Cloud Storage in Unreal Engine using the Firebase Blueprint Plugin. To begin, make sure you have some files in the cloud storage to delete. In the blueprint, call the delete file node. Then use the storage path pin to reference the file in the cloud storage. Click and hold on it, then drag on empty spot. Search for Make Array and select it in the menu. Each element represents the directory, where the last element is the file name. If we take a look at the cloud storage, I have a file inside the images folder called image.png. So I'll put images for the first element, and then image.png as the last element. Now just add the callbacks. Click and hold on them, then drag on an empty spot. Select Add Event, then add Custom Event. Now when I run the app, and click on the delete button, there will be a message telling me that the file was deleted. When I go to the cloud storage in the Firebase console, the image is no longer there when I refresh the page. That's all for this video. If you find this helpful, give it a like, share, and subscribe.